Hello friends, now we'll start the new chapter, circle. And in this chapter, we will learn the equation of a circle and its a different form. Equation of tangent to a circle. Condition for tangency, director circle. These topics we will learn in this chapter. Now we'll start the first topics, that is the equation of the circle in different form. Different forms of equation of a circle. The first is standard form. Now, what is the standard form of the equation of a circle? Circle whose center is origin and the equation is x square plus y square is equals to the radius square a square. This is called the standard form of the equation of the circle. Now see this in this figure. O is the center of the circle. The coordinates of O are origin 0, 0. But actually what is meant by the circle? It is a locus of all the points which are equidistant from the fixed point. Here fixed point is O. P is a point. In this way, these are the number of the points and which are equidistant from the center of the circle. And if you join these, then you will get the circle. Therefore, circle is a locus of a point which are equidistant from the fixed point. And that fixed point is called the center of the circle. Now, this type of the equation of the circle is called the standard form. Whenever I will say that the standard form, then at that time the equation of the circle is always x square plus y square is equals to the r square a square. Now here O is the center of the circle, P is any point. By the distance formula, we can find out this distance. That is x minus 0 bracket square plus y minus 0 bracket square is equals to a square. Therefore, you will get x square plus y square is equals to a square. And that is the standard form of the equation of the circle. Let that is in figure O is the center of the circle whose coordinate is 0, 0. P be any point on the circle. OP is equals to A. That is this distance OP is equals to A. And then by distance formula, that is OP is equals to OP square, that is a x minus 0 bracket square plus y minus 0 bracket square is equals to OP square. But what is the OP? OP is equals to A, therefore it is a square, and by the distance formula x minus 0 is x square plus y square. Therefore the standard equation of the circle is x square plus y square. This is very, very important. Okay. Now next, x square plus y square is equals to a square. This is the standard equation of the circle. Also now you can see this also. That is, we'll have x square plus y square is equals to a square. Now next is second, center radius form. Now the name of this form contains all the meanings. Center radius form. In this form, we will require the center of the circle and the radius of the circle. If we know the center and the radius of the circle, then we can find the equation of the circle. Now in this figure, x-axis, y-axis, there is a circle whose center is hk, r is the radius of the circle, and by the distance formula, that is a x minus h bracket square plus y minus k bracket square. If we consider this is a C and P is any point on the circle, then by distance formula x minus h bracket square y minus k bracket square is equals to r square. Now in this figure, O is the origin, P is the any point on the circle whose coordinate is xy, C is hk, that is in figure CHK is the center of the circle, R is the radius of the circle, P, xy is any point on the circle, okay, then CP is equals to R. You can write this also in this figure. C is the center, P is any point, R is the distance between the C and P, and by distance formula you will get x minus h bracket square plus y minus k bracket square is equals to r square. That is the in root of x minus h bracket square y minus k bracket square. Now Cp square is equals to, but what is a Cp is equals to r. This is the standard form of the equation of the circle. You can write down this also. This is called the center radius form. The first form is the standard equation of the circle whose center was origin x square plus y square is equals to r square. Now this is the center radius form. Now we'll see the next form. Third, diameter form. Now see this circle here. Now in this circle, AB is the diameter of the circle. The coordinates of the point A is x1, y1 and B is x2, y2. P is any point on the circle. And we know the basic property. म्हणजे आपल्याला एक प्रॉपर्टी अशी माहिती आहे की या सर्कल वरती कुठे पण आपण एक जर पॉइंट घेतला आणि ए हा त्या पी शी जोडला, बी हा त्या पी शी जोडला, तर इथे होणारे मेजर ऑफ अँगल किती असतं तर 90 असतं. And therefore by using this property we will find the equation of the circle. या प्रॉपर्टीने आपण इक्वेशन ऑफ द सर्कल फाइंड आउट करणार आहोत. आणि त्या फॉर्मला आपण डायमीटर फॉर्म असं म्हणत असतो. मग इथे काय बेसिक तयार होणार, आपण तर एपीचा स्लोप फाइंड आउट करणार, बीपीचा स्लोप फाइंड आउट करणार. And these two lines are perpendicular to each other. या दोन्ही लाईन्स एकमेकांना परपेंडिक्युलर आहे. Therefore the product of the slope is -1. म्हणजे आपण एपीचा स्लोप इंटू पीबीचा स्लोप दॅट इज इक्वल्स टू -1. नाउ सी दिस इन फिगर AB हा डायमीटर आहे, डायमीटर ऑफ द सर्कल. त्याचे कोऑर्डिनेट्स ए चे कोऑर्डिनेट x1 y1, b the coordinate of b is x2 y2 are the end points of the diameter. And the diameter चे base fixed property, if we take any point on the circle and join to the ends of the diameter, and that angle is always 90. Pxy be any point of the circle. त्या सर्कल वरचा कुठलाही एक P पॉइंट घेणार. Now the slope of AP चा स्लोप फाइंड आउट करणार. What is that slope of AP? Difference of y coordinate upon difference of x coordinate. म्हणजे y minus y1 upon x minus x1. Next we will find slope of BP. that is a y minus y2 upon x minus x2. कारण की b चे coordinate किती आहे तर x2 y2 आहे. आता या दोन्ही लाईन्स एकमेकांना perpendicular, these two lines are perpendicular to each other and therefore P is the point on the circle. A and B are the end points of diameter. Measure of angle APP is 90 degree. 90 होना तो therefore the slope of AP into slope of PB या दोघांच्या स्लोपचा प्रोडक्ट किती असणार तर -1 असणार आहे. y minus y1 upon x minus x1 into y minus y2 upon x minus x2 that is -1. आणि मी हे सिम्प्लिफाय करणार. नॉर्मल सिम्प्लिफिकेशन इज हियर. या दोघांचा वर प्रॉडक्ट लिहिणार y minus y1 into y minus y2 आणि हे डिनोमिनेटरचे या बाजूला जाणार राइट हँड साइडला. दॅट इज अ मायनस इन ब्रॅकेट x minus x1 into x minus x2. नंतर सिम्प्लिफाय करणार. that is a x minus x1 into x minus x2 plus y minus y1 into y minus y2 is equals to 0. This is the equation of the circle in the standard form. These three forms are very important. Now the exercise 6.1. It's very simple exercise. Find the equation of the circle with center at origin and the radius is 4. म्हणून आपण इथे स्टँडर्ड इक्वेशन ऑफ द सर्कल अप्लाय करणार which is the x square plus y square is equals to r square. Now here is r is the radius. Standard form. is equals to r square is equals to 4. या प्रकारे आपण लिहिले. Standard equation of the circle, center at origin and radius is r is x square plus y square is equals to r square. Here r is equals to 4, therefore the required equation of the circle is x square plus y square is equals to 4 square, that is 16. This is the first part. Now next is center at -3, -2 and radius is 6. Now here we will apply the, आता इथे काय दिलेलं आपल्याला सेंटर दिलेलं आहे आणि रेडियस दिलेलं आहे. मग कोणता फॉर्म वापरणार सेंटर रेडियस फॉर्म. Therefore center HK -3 -2, this is the required form center radius form. आणि त्याच्यात व्हॅल्यू सबस्टिट्यूट करणार and then you will get the required equation of the circle. डबल ब्रॅकेट करणार त्यासाठी because the sign of h and k is a minus minus. म्हणून आपण इथे x minus in bracket -3 brackets वर plus y minus in bracket -2 brackets वर is equals to 6 square x plus 3. This is the simplify करना x square plus 2 into 3 into x, that is a 6x, 3 square 9, y square 4y plus 4 is equals to 36. Normal simplification is here. And the final required equation is x square plus y square plus 6x plus 4y minus 23 is equals to 0. This is the required equation of the circle. Now third, the center at 2 -3 and the radius is 5. Again we know that the center and the radius, therefore we will apply the center radius form. x minus h bracket square y minus k bracket square is equals to r square. Substitute the values, that is x minus 2 bracket square plus y minus in bracket minus 3 bracket square is equals to 5 square. And normal simplification, minus minus will be plus, that is x minus 2 bracket square plus y plus 3 bracket square is equals to 25 x square minus 4x plus 4 y square plus 6y plus 9 minus 25, and that is equals to 0. X square plus y square minus 4x plus 6y plus 30 minus 25 is equals to 0. And this is the standard equation of the circle. X square plus y square minus 4x plus 6y minus 12 is equals to 0. Fourth one, center at minus 3 and passing through point minus 3 minus 6. Now in this case, यामध्ये त्याने आपल्याला सेंटर दिलेला आहे आणि ते सर्कल एका पॉइंट मधून पास होते. परंतु इक्वेशन ऑफ द सर्कल साठी आपल्याला काय आवश्यकता असते, तर आपल्याला सेंटर माहिती पाहिजे. येस, इट इज ओके. आणि आपल्याला रेडियस माहिती पाहिजे, पण रेडियस नाही दिले तर पॉइंट ऑन द सर्कल दिले. नाउ बाय द डिस्टन्स फॉर्म्युल्यानुसार आपण हे डिस्टन्स फाइंड आउट करू शकतो. बाय द डिस्टन्स फॉर्म्युला वी कॅन फाइंड आउट द दिस डिस्टन्स ओके, अँड दॅट इज नथिंग बट द आर. आणि ते आर असणार आहे, म्हणजे आपल्याला सेंटर माहिती आहे. सेंटर minus 3 and the point is minus 3 minus 6. By the distance formula we can find out the radius, and that radius is equal to 3. This is the R. Now the center radius form x minus h bracket square plus y minus k bracket square is equals to r square. Now substitute the values of h and k. त्या दोन्ही व्हॅल्यूज मायनस मायनस आहे म्हणून आपण तिथे डबल ब्रॅकेट केले. That is x plus 3 bracket square plus y plus 3 bracket square is equals to 9. आता एक्सपांड करना, x square plus 6x plus 9, y square plus 6x plus 9, and x square plus y square plus 6x 6y plus 9 is equals to 0. This is the equation of the circle in center radius form. Find the center and the radius of the circle. X square plus y square is equals to 25. निश्चितच हे standard form of the circle. So the center is origin and radius is 5. Equal 0, radius is 5. Next is, this is the x minus 5 bracket square plus y minus 3 bracket square is equals to 20. By the center radius form, therefore center is 5 3 and radius is root of 20, that is a 4 into 5, that is a 2 root 5. Third, x minus 2 1 upon 2 bracket square plus y plus 1 upon 3 bracket square is equals to 1 upon 36. हा आपल्याला या फॉर्म मध्ये असं लिहिता येईल, y minus in bracket minus 1 upon 3 bracket square is equals to 1 upon 36, that is 1 upon 6 bracket square. Therefore, by comparing with the center radius form, that is 1 upon 2 minus 1 upon 3, r is equals to 1 upon 6. find the equation of the circle with the center at AB and touches the y-axis. The circle touches to the y-axis and the center is AB. Now see this here. As circle touches the y-axis, now this will be the radius of the circle. And what is this distance? This distance is nothing but the x coordinates. That is the x is equals to, therefore r is equals to a. X is equals to a here, therefore r is equals to a, which is the radius of the circle. Therefore we know the center as well as the radius, and then we will apply the center radius form. Therefore r is equals to a. Here I have written circle touches the y-axis, therefore r is equals to a. X minus h bracket square plus y minus k bracket square is equals to r square. Center is a and b, x minus a bracket square plus y minus b bracket square is equals to a square. आणि जर हे सर्कल जर समजा x ऍक्सिसला टच झालं असतं तर त्याचा रेडियस p आला असता. There is, we will expand it, that is equals to now you can see this again. This is the equation of the circle whose center is AB and touches the y-axis. Second, at -2, 3, touching the x-axis. Now see this. The circle touches the x-axis. आता clearly हा point -2 and 3. This is in the second quadrant and touches the x-axis. हे distance जे असणार आहे ते y असणार आहे, and the radius of the circle is 3. See this here. As the center circle touches the x-axis, radius PC is equals to 3. Radius of the circle. Now we know the center by the center radius form. X minus h bracket square, y minus k bracket square is equals to r square. That is x minus in bracket -2 bracket square plus y minus 3 bracket square is equals to 3 square. त्या व्हॅल्यू सबस्टिट्यूट करणार आपण आणि एक्सपांड करणार. Therefore x plus 2 bracket square plus y minus 3 bracket square is equals to 3 square. Means what? 9. Now simplify this. X square plus 4x plus 4, y square minus 6y plus 9. That is x square plus y square plus 4x minus 6y plus 4 equals to 0. This is the equation of the circle. Now next. Third. On the x-axis and passing through the origin and the radius is 4. Now see this here. On the x-axis and passing through the origin, the center is on the x-axis and passing through the origin. या दोन पॉसिबिलिटीज इथे तयार होऊ शकतात. सेंटर ऑन द x-axis इकडे पण असू शकतं या बाजूला, and radius is 4. Now the equation of the circle with center, if we consider on the right hand side of the y-axis, then it is a plus 4 0, and to the left hand side -4 and 0. Therefore by the center the radius form x minus h bracket square plus y minus k bracket square is equals to r square, x plus or minus 4 bracket square plus y minus 4 bracket square is equals to, y minus 0 bracket square because the y coordinate is 0 and r is 4, that is a 4 square. And if we expand x square plus or minus 8x plus 16 plus y square is equals to 16 plus 16 on the both sides get cancelled. X square plus y square plus or, I can see this here, we'll have the two possibilities, that is center will lie on the both sides. Now the y coordinate is 0. This is the required equation. X square plus y square plus or minus 8x is equals to 0. Now the fourth one, at 3, 1 and touching the line 8x minus 15y plus 25 is equals to 0. Now we know the center and the circle touches to the line 8x. मग यावरून आपण हे परपेंडिक्युलर डिस्टन्स काढू शकतो. लाईन चॅप्टर मध्ये आपण शिकलो द परपेंडिक्युलर डिस्टन्स फ्रॉम द पॉइंट ऑन द लाइन by using that formula. This is nothing but this is perpendicular distance, nothing but the radius of the circle, and that's why we'll know the center as well as the radius, and then we'll apply the center the radius form. Now see this, 8x minus 15y plus 25 equals to 0. Here the line touches the circle at P. It is tangent at the point P, perpendicular to distance from the center on the line. This is the PXY. A formula is perpendicular distance from the center on the line is, that is, suppose that Px on y is a point, then the distance of this point from the line d is equals to, and suppose that ax plus by plus c is equals to 0, then ax1 plus by1 plus c upon in root of a square plus b square. Therefore we will get, yeah, values आपण substitute करणार, h value at x3 नंतर minus 15 into 125 upon the coefficient of x and y, squares of coefficient of x, 8 square plus 15 square, and it is simplify करणार, that is a 24. This is a simplification, numerator denominator, that is equals to 49 minus 25 . This distance d is equals to 2, and that is nothing but the radius of the circle, which is a 3, 1. By the center radius form x minus h bracket square. आता आपल्याला सेंटर माहिती आहे, रेडियस माहिती आहे. Therefore by using the center radius form x minus h bracket square plus y minus k bracket square is equals to r square. X minus a bracket square minus 1 bracket square is equals to 2 square. X square minus 6x plus 9 plus y square minus 2y plus 1 is equals to 4. Therefore x square plus y square minus 6x minus 2y plus 10 minus 4 equals to 0. That is x square plus y square minus 6x minus 2y plus 6 is equals to 0. Find the equation of circle if the equations of two diameters are 2x plus y is equals to 6 and 3x plus 2y is equals to 4 when the radius is 9. Then find the equation of the circle. प्रत्येकदा आपल्याला इक्वेशन ऑफ द सर्कल फाइंड आउट करण्यासाठी बेसिकली वी मस्ट नो द सेंटर ऑफ द सर्कल अँड द रेडियस ही दिलेले आहे, पण त्याने डायमीटर पण दिलेले आपल्याला. ही हॅज गिव्हन द डायमीटर दॅट इज अ 2x प्लस y इज इक्वल्स टू 6 अँड 3x प्लस 2y इज इक्वल्स टू 4. हे दोन डायमीटर असणार. इफ वी सॉल्व these two equations simultaneously, we will get the center of the circle and the radius is already given. Then we will apply the center radius form. Therefore, जर आपण हे दोन्ही इक्वेशन सायमल्टेनियसली सॉल्व केले तर आपल्याला सेंटर मिळेल, because this diameter passes through the center of the circle. Now let's see. 2x plus y is equals to 6, 3x plus 2y is equals to 4. If we solve, that is a 2x plus y is equals to 6 and 3x plus 2y is equals to 4 simultaneously, we get their point of intersection, that is the center of the circle. And the center of the circle, radius of the circle, that is the 2x plus y is equals to 6, 3x plus 2y is equals to 4. Solve these two simultaneously. Multiply the equation 1 by 2. 3x plus 2y is equals to 4. 3 minus 2. 3 minus 2. जर आपण ते सॉल्व केलं तर you will get x is equals to 8. Put x is equals to 8 in equation, that is the 2x plus y is equals to 6. म्हणजे जर आपण सबस्टिट्यूट केलं, x is equals to 8, that is 16 plus y is equals to 6. Therefore, y is equals to, that is y is equals to minus 10. Therefore, the center is 8 and minus 2. आणि आपल्याला रेडियस पण माहिती आहे. Then we will apply the center radius form. By the center radius form, x minus h bracket square plus y minus k bracket square is equals to r square. X minus h bracket square plus y minus in bracket minus 10 bracket square is equals to 9 square. X minus h bracket square plus y plus 10 bracket square is equals to 81. That is equals to 81. X square plus y square minus 16x plus 20y plus 164 minus 81 is equals to 0. We'll solve this. Okay, see this equation. That is x square plus y square minus 16x plus 20y plus 84 is equals to 0. Problem number 5. If y is equals to 2x is a chord of circle, x square plus y square minus 10x is equals to 0. Find the equation of circle with chord as diameter. Chord as a diameter. आता या फिगर मध्ये AB ही डायमीटर, AB is the diameter and its equation is y is equals to 2x. जर आपण y is equals to 2x, if we substitute y is equals to 2x in the equation of the circle, then we will get these 2 points. आणि त्याने आपल्याला सांगितलंय की कॉर्ड या नवीन सर्कलचा काय असणार आहे डायमीटर, and then we'll apply the diameter form of the equation of the circle, that is a in bracket x minus x1 into x minus x2 plus y minus y1 into y minus y2 is equals to 0. म्हणजे आपल्याला काय पाहिजे आता माहिती, that's we must know these 2 points A and B. That's why we'll solve that's 2 equations simultaneously. Now see this equation of the circle, x square plus y square minus 10x is equals to 0. Equation of the chord, y is equals to 2x. हे दोन्ही सायमल्टेनियसली सॉल्व करणार म्हणजे काय, या y ची व्हॅल्यू 2x इथे सबस्टिट्यूट करणार. We'll substitute the value of the y, that is a 2x x square plus 2y in bracket square minus 10x. Then you will get, this is the quadratic equation in x. आपल्याला दोन व्हॅल्यूज मिळतील आणि त्या पुन्हा याच्यात टाकणार, that is we will get the 2 points, that is the end points of the diameter. That is y is equals to 2x. Therefore substitute करणार आपण y ची व्हॅल्यू, therefore x square plus 4x minus 10x is equals to 0. 5x square minus 10x is equals to 0. x square minus 2x, x common घेणार, x minus 2, x is equals to 0x and x minus 2 is equals to 0. Therefore x is equals to 0 or x is equals to 2. आणि आपल्याला दोन पॉइंट्स मिळाले. Simultaneously we will get the 2 points, y is equals to 2x, x is equals to 0, then clearly y is equals to also 0. X is equals to 2, y is equals to 4. These are the end points of the diameter. त्याने असं सांगितलंय त्या कॉर्डची लेंथ म्हणजेच नवीन सर्कलचा डायमीटर असणार आहे. Therefore we know these 2 points and this length is nothing but the diameter of the new circle. That is, this AB is the diameter of the new circle. Therefore we'll apply the diameter form. P be any point on the circle. These are the endpoints of that diameter AB. Then by using the x minus x1 into this equals to 0, x minus x1 into x minus x2 plus y minus y1 into y minus y2, that equals to 0. Substitute the values, x minus 0 into x minus 2 plus y minus 0 into y minus 4, that's equals to 0. X into x minus 2 plus y into y minus 4, that is equals to 0. X square plus y square minus 2x minus 4y, that's equals to 0. Again you can see this here. X square minus 2x plus y square minus 4y. See this again, that is equals to 0. This is the equation of, this is the standard equation, standard no, but this is the required equation of that diameter, that is a diameter circle. Find the equation of the circle with the radius 4 units and touching both the coordinate axis in third quadrant. Now in this figure we have the four circles are there. This circle touches the both coordinate axis and center is in the first quadrant, second, third and fourth. But our required circle is this. The center is C3. And the radius is that is given, which is the -4 minus, that is center is given, which is -4 and -4 and radius is 4. Therefore in this case the circle touches the both coordinate axis. हे या प्रकारे असणार आहे आणि रेडियस 4 आहे की मग हे टच झालं पाहिजे की जेणेकरून त्याचा सेंटर किती असणार -4 and -4. Therefore here we will apply the center radius form. Now we have the center -4 and the radius r is equals to 4. Equation of circle with center radius form: x minus h bracket square plus y minus k bracket square is equals to r square. X minus in bracket -4 bracket square plus y minus in bracket -4 bracket square is equals to r square, means what, 4 square. That is here x plus 4 bracket square y plus 4 bracket square is equals to 16. Now this is the simplification. Therefore x square plus y square, that is equals to 0. Now next is question number 7. Find the equation of circle passing through origin and having intercept 4 minus 5 on the coordinate axis. Now intercept, पहिला हा आपण x treat करणार. First is x intercept and second is y intercept. Now here is x is 5 and y is -5. Therefore the circle must passes through the fourth quadrant. At the same time circle also passes through the origin. Now see this figure. That is a 4 0 and next is 0 A. This is B. The measure of angle is 90. Now we'll apply the measure of this angle is 90. Therefore AB must be the diameter. And if we take PXY any point on the circle, then by the diameter form आपल्याला A चे coordinate माहिती आहे 4 0, B is 0 minus 5. Therefore we'll apply the diameter form of the equation of the circle. AB x minus x1 into x minus x2 plus y minus y into that is equals to 0. Substitute the values. X square plus y square minus 4x plus 5y is equals to 0. Therefore, this is the equation of the circle. Let's see again. equation of circle. Now next, problem number 8. Find the equation of a circle passing through the points 1, -4, 5, 2 and having the center on the line x minus 2y plus 9 is equals to 0. Now see this, the circle with the center HK, x minus 2y plus 9 is equals to 0. ही लाइन आहे ती या सेंटर मधनं पास होते. The line passes through the center. Therefore, the coordinate h and k must satisfy this equation of the line. That is h minus 2k plus 9 is equals to 0. See this here. म्हणजे आपण हा प्रॉब्लेम कसा सॉल्व करणार? How to solve this problem? That is, we require the center of the circle and the radius of the circle. Therefore, you will get one simultaneous equation as the point center lies on this line. That is h minus 2k plus 9 is equals to 0. Second simultaneous equation in terms of hk will be, that is, AC is equals to BC. And solving that, you will get second simultaneous equation. And solve these two simultaneous equations, then you will get the center. As you get the center, take any point A or B, then you will get the radius of the circle, then apply the center radius form. Now see this. C is HK, lie on the line. Therefore, it must satisfy the equation h minus 2k is equals to minus. This is equation number 1. Now we'll require the second equation. प्रत्येकदा आपल्याला इक्वेशन ऑफ द सर्कल फाइंड आउट करण्यासाठी काय पाहिजे तर सेंटर पाहिजे, रेडियस पाहिजे. नाउ AC is equals to BC, AC square is equals to BC square. Apply the distance formula. सेंटर किती आहे तर h काय आहे, a चे कोऑर्डिनेट्स आपल्याला माहिती आहे. That is a 1 minus 4. H minus 5 bracket square, k minus 2 bracket square. Solve these two. That is h k square, h square get cancelled. Therefore, minus 2h plus 10h plus 8k plus 4k that is equals to 12. Divide on both sides by 4. Therefore, 2h that is equals to. This is equation number 2. Now solve these two equations simultaneously. Therefore, multiply equation number 1 by 2. Then HH will get cancelled. Equation 3 minus 2. Therefore, that is equals to 7k is equals to 21. K is equals to 3. Put k is equals to 3 in equation h minus 2k minus 9. This way. You will get the value of center, that is the coordinates of the center. Now you know the center, that is a minus 3, 3. आता आपल्याला radius पाहिजे. Then and then we can apply the center radius form. Take any point A or B and apply the distance formula. Minus 3 minus 1 bracket square plus 3 minus in bracket minus 4 bracket square, that is minus 4 square, 3 plus 4, therefore 16 plus. This is the r is equals to root of 65. Therefore, by the center make the coordinates of the HK minus 3 and 3. Therefore, by the center radius form x minus h bracket square plus y minus k bracket square is equals to r square minus x minus n bracket minus 3 bracket square plus y minus 3 is equals to, therefore x plus 3 bracket square y minus 3 bracket square is equals to 65. Simplify, then you will get x square plus 6x plus 9 plus y square minus 6y plus 9 is equals to 65. X square plus y square plus 6x plus 6y plus 16 minus 65 is equals to 0. That is x square plus y square plus 6x minus 6y minus 47 is equals to 0. This is the required equation of the circle. When the center, that is the equation of the line which passes through the center and the 2 points on the circle is given. In this way, we have completed this exercise 6.1. Now we'll see in the next video. Till then, goodbye.